Hey guys, it's Nurse Cindy, and thank you for joining me at Cindy's Culinary Kitchen. It has been quite some time since I've shared a meal with you guys, so I'm so excited to get the ball rolling today. Today we are going to be talking about my favorite tea. We are in flu season and COVID is still in these streets, so we need to make sure that our immune system is ready. I like to start my morning with tea. It's very quick, it's tasty, and I put a couple ingredients in there that are known to have antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, like cinnamon, turmeric, and ginger. The three of these have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Very tasty, very good for your immune system. And being that this is Cindy's Royal Chai, I have a classic chai tea. My very favorite, the brand is Sazo, very tasty. And to go ahead and soothe our throats and make it creamy, I have honey and almond milk. Let's get into it. I already have some water that I put in my kettle. Y'all, I'm old school. I love to hear it whistle in the morning. It gets my morning started and it lets me know that I need to get out the shower. So before we actually pour that in, can't mess up our cute counter here, I'm going to go ahead and put in my tea bag because we want that to start seeping. So I'm going to put a little bit of water, and then we're going to add our ginger. The reason why I'm doing the ginger next is because I want it to be muddled and to really get as much of the flavor of the ginger into the tea. We want to break it down. Next, we're going to add some cinnamon. Put as much as you want, y'all. It honestly depends on the flavor that you're trying to go for. Turmeric can actually kind of be a little bitter, so the cinnamon balances it out. Now we're going to add some honey. Honey is pretty good to coat your throat if you have a sore throat, if you have a cough. And this is all natural honey. Look at the bottle. So cute. Look at it. Now we're going to pour in some more hot water. And we're going to mix everything in. I'm not going to put too much water because we do have to add the milk. I'm going to mix that all up. Now guys, lastly, we're going to put our milky goodness almond creamer. I'm pretty sensitive to dairy. I like to say that I'm lactose sensitive. So whenever there's an alternative that works for me, I'm hooked. And this almond creamer, it's literally the icing on the cake for your tea. Now that we have everything mixed up, y'all, we're just gonna let it sit and seep, and then we'll enjoy it.